Hi guys, I'm Berhelar Lakpao from BSIS 2A, and this subject is Database System Enterprise. And I would like to introduce our Professor Vicente Tabacolde. So this is the system requirements of the application. So let's start right now. First we need to install SAMP. Just click here, SAMP version 8. Then wait for it to finish. So what is the requirements of this application? It requires Windows 8, Windows 2012, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, and so on and so forth. And it cannot run on Windows XP or 2003. So what is SAMP? SAMP is the most popular PHP development environment. SAMP is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, and Plurals. The SAMP open source package has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. So right now the download has finished. So let's install it. Just click yes and wait for it. Just click OK. Next. So here you're gonna select a folder so you can locate the folder where you will be install the SAMP, and this right here is it's all right. I mean it is default, so we don't need to overwrite it. So just click next, and just close this, stop, then next, then wait for it to be finished. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do is open some control panel. Then we need to run this to the Apache module and Mysql. Just gonna click start and just minimize it. And the next thing you're gonna do is open the command prompt, run as administrator, click yes, and here we're gonna find the path location of the SAMP. cd, you just type cd dot dot, then cd dot dot again. After that, cd SAMP, cd Mysql, cd bin, then type MySQL queue and its local IP. Then just click enter to proceed. Click enter, and now we're connected to the MariaDB, and what we're gonna do is create database rather. Create database. My form. Comma, then hit enter. It says query okay, one row affected. Let's see if it's true. Show databases. This query is it's gonna show all the database I created in this in here. So let's just click enter. Now we see our our database is currently in here. So let's just, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that database. Let's just basically type use my form, just click enter. Now we use our database my form. Then what we're gonna do next is create table. First we're gonna show if we have already a table. Show tables. Okay, we see we have empty set of tables, so we're gonna create a new one. Create table what we're gonna name it, table admin. Then we set id not now, int not now, auto increment primary key. So we set the field id to not now, auto increment, and primary key, because we don't need to do anything with this, because this value is auto generated by the system. So yeah, auto increment, it will the first name, set the character to 20, set it to value of 20 characters only. Then last name, voucher 20, address voucher 20 characters as well, age, and just click enter. We set the value of the value of age to int, because age is a number, a series of number, and we set it to int. Says query okay, 0 rows affected. So let's see if it's rated. Just type describe table admin. Just click enter. Okay, we created fields, the ID, first name, last name, and type of int, first name varchar, last name varchar, address varchar, age int, and this the ID is primary key auto increment. It will give a automatic number for us. So what we're going to do now is insert some data in our database. So what we're going to do is just type insert, then into in our table name, table admin, and we just type the field names, first name, last name, address, then age, and we set it to the values of when we putting an data to the field name. You need to just type single quote and the content of the data. Let's just say John Rambo, single quote, comma, and address California, and age maybe 34, and just click. You need to close it and add semicolon, then hit enter. It says query okay, 1 row affected. Let's see now our database. So what we're gonna do is type select, and this asterisk, this means all of the content will be shown from table admin. So basically the asterisk means all, select all from table admin, then just click enter. Now we see here our first data input, first name John, last name Rambo, address California, age 34, ID 1, because the ID is set to primary key and auto increment. What we're gonna do, just add some data in our database. Enter input uh, 3 more data in our database. Add some data, just 2 more. Just here. Define 20. Let's see again. So, table admin. Now we have here 5 datas in our database. What if we just want to show the first name and the age? So just select the fields you want to be shown only. So we just want to select the first name and age. First name, comma, age, then the table we created, which is table admin, and comma. Oh, we forgot to write from sorry, table admin. Now you see only 2 fields is shown here in our database: the first name and the age field. So let's just show the last name and their ID, last name and address. Just click enter to proceed. Now we show only 3 fields: the ID, last name and address. So what we're gonna do now is update some changes to our database. So what we're gonna do is update table admin, set address equals to the update table admin set address. We're gonna change the address we want to manipulate. That says Metro Manila. Metro Manila. Where last name is, where address is, last name is, says, let's pick Rambo. Let's change the address of John Rambo to Metro Manila. Just click enter. Cases, rows match 1, change 1. So let's see our database. Select all from table admin. Now we see here John Rambo address, change to Metro Manila. Now what we're gonna do is arrange their ID by descending. So just type select all from the table created, which is name, table admin, order by their ID, descending. Let's try descending order. Now what it's basically do is so ordering the table into descending by their IDs. Now the first is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the first is made. To set it back to default, just order it by ascending. Click enter. Now it is back to normal. What we're gonna do now is what if we want to delete some records from our database? So let's delete some records. We want to delete Don Pakundo. Then delete that record. We just basically type delete from the table we created, which is name, table admin, where last name is, single quote, last name is Kundo. Then add some semicolon, then hit enter to proceed. It says I have an area of an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual for instance. Check the DB. Oh, I forgot to add the equal sign because it won't move to. It requires equal sign, so it will read the last name to. Let's start. Let's enter. Oh, okay, it says query okay, one row affected. Let's see if it's. Let's see. See, we have only we only have four data four datas in our database because we deleted the data of Don Facundo, and here we only have four datas. Okay, let's what are we gonna do next? So that's just basically, so that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from my video tutorial. Bye.